Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your tag on your Discord without having a Discord Nitro. So to change your tag, which is this number hashtag 8544, you need to have Discord Nitro, which means a premium version of Discord. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do it without having Discord Nitro. But for this you need to have a Discord server in which you are the admin. First create a Discord server in which you are an admin. After that you guys can follow my steps. And before I show you the steps, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's start the video without any further ado. So first, what you want to do is after creating a server, you want to add Dino to your server. To add Dino to your server, basically go to your Google browser or any search engine and type and go to this website called dino.gg. After you come over here, basically what you want to do is where it says add to server, click on add to server, and it's going to take you to this website. Now what you want to do is select the server which you just created. So which is server, this is the server which I created. I'm going to click on continue, scroll down and click on authorize, and click on I am a human. And as you guys can see, Dino has just been added to my Discord. After that, basically just go to your Discord server again and type this command, $DISCRIM. After this, Dino is going to search for all the person with the username having the same, tag as you. So all these people have the same tag. So basically what I'm going to do is copy one of the username from over here. So let's say I copy Aiden's username. After I copy that, I can click on user setting and click on edit to edit my, username. And I'm going to paste the name which I just, copied from there. And after entering my password and clicking on done, my name is going to be saved and my tag is going to be changed. So let me show you guys. After entering my password, I click on done. As you guys can see, my tag has just been changed to 1908 right in front of your eyes. So that's basically how you guys can change your, Discord tag without having Discord Nitro. But you cannot get whatever one you want, okay? It's going to be random. So yeah, to customize it to your preference, you need to buy Discord Nitro. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.